and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend.
Emily's here today dragging her boyfriend to support court because she wants her child back 5 years after he's been living with dad. And with child support in the mix, it's about to get real.
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have 2 babies.
Okay.
And I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back.
Oh, now that the ex is out of the picture, suddenly she's ready to be super mom. Funny how that works when the child support checks aren't coming in.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you? And
Yes,
give the baby?
ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay.
The judge isn't wasting any time, straight to the point. Emily's story has more holes than Swiss cheese, but she's out here acting like she's a victim. Although, it sounds like she's a victim of her own choices.
Have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Judge Vonda is cutting through the confusion like a pro. Emily's got such a confusing past flying around, it's hard to keep track. But sure, let's keep pretending everything's crystal clear while we're on round 2 of questionable decisions.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from him?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, of course, she wasn't cooperative at all back then, but she wants her ex to be cooperative? She wants the court to straighten things out for her? Sounds like an entitled brat complaining about everything to her parents.
Who does the baby live with?
Me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him?
Yes, ma'am.
And you want the baby back?
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby has been living the whole time.
Why the heck is she complicating this situation by bringing up a child that's not the subject right now? Meanwhile, Houston's sitting there like he's at a casual Sunday barbecue, leaning back in his chair with all that confidence. Definitely oozing vibes of someone who knows he's been playing the role of dad since day one.
And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support, yeah.
Judge Vonda's face says it all. 5 years, and now Emily wants to flip the script, take the kid, and expect child support like it's some sort of transaction? Talk about a plot twist, but no one's buying it.
I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you.
He makes more money, so he should hand out his child to this idiot and then pay her so she can leech on it for most of it? Does she even know what child support even is? She seems completely brain dead.
She lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Way to switch statements now. Guess no one's buying the fact that she's a victim of abuse. Victim of stupidity maybe, but definitely not abuse. I mean, she literally threw out that all she wants is his money, but she's trying to cover it like a pro.
It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
At this point, the judge's and Houston's patience is running thin, and Emily's eye roll says it all. She's clearly not here for logic. Sorry, sweetheart, but this isn't a reality show where you can just rewrite the script.
Baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay?
The sense of entitlement here is hilarious. Judge Vonda just served the cold truth. You didn't lose your baby, you let him go. No amount of begging or high-pitched demands is gonna erase that.
He was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby,
Yep.
and he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations.
Judge Vonda's sarcasm hit like a ton of bricks. Oh, you visit. Well, congratulations on that heroic effort. Meanwhile, Houston's out here doing all the heavy lifting like he's the one who signed up for parenthood. And doesn't this setting seem a bit familiar with the roles reversed? She is her mother, and she's piling a child support case on herself here.
What does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money.
We all saw that coming. Judge Vonda dropped the mic with that one. Emily's ready to play the victim, but now she's got a whole new reality to face. Nothing like a good plot twist to shut down that entitled vibe.
Thing is, it's based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do.
It's as simple as that. You want the credit for the kid, but now it's time to pay up. Looks like Emily's about to learn that playing the mom card comes with some hefty consequences.
Health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it through my
Okay.
employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha.
And just like that, it's Houston again, because why not pile on the responsibilities while Emily tries to dodge every bullet? Guess that's the reality when you've been coasting all these years.
Like a year.
$38,000.
So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01.
Judge Vonda wasn't wasting any more time. Straight to the numbers, and Emily's about to see how real her financial situation is. No more excuses, just cold, hard math.
Credit for the other child that you have, your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69.
Emily's face says it all. She thought she was playing the game, but now the numbers are playing her. Shocked doesn't even cover it, honey. Welcome to reality.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month.
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay, so your first answer was no, so then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support.
Emily's starting to realize that getting her baby back isn't as simple as she thought. Turns out it comes with a price tag. Sorry, ma'am, but the fairy tale ended when reality hit.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
And with the final smack of reality, Judge Vonda saves the day again. Houston's calmness could be a whole vibe. He's got this parenting thing down while Emily's out here looking like she just realized the rules changed. No wonder she's stunned. Reality just hit her like a ton of bricks.